Ever search something online and suddenly Instagram knows what you were thinking? It's not magic, it's surveillance. Let's talk about VPNs. What they are, why people use them, and do you actually need one? VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. Sounds fancy, right? Basically, it's like creating a secret tunnel between your device and the internet. So when you go online, your data, location, browsing history, it all gets encrypted, hidden from prying eyes like hackers, your ISP, or even advertisers. Okay, but why would someone need this tunnel of secrecy? Here's why. Public Wi Fi at cafes, risky. VPN protects you. Want to watch US Netflix while sitting in India? VPN changes your virtual location. Live in a country with blocked websites? VPN bypasses that. Want to stop your internet provider from spying on what you browse at 2 a.m.? VPN has your back, but no. If you only browse social media at home and have nothing sensitive online, it's like wearing a helmet. Most of the time, you don't need it. But when something bad happens, you wish you had it on. Subscribe if you're into tech stuff with a real world twist.